Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to monitor child Roblox activity in 2026. The first thing you want to do is create a parent account and link it with your child setting. If you don't know how to, just go to roblox.com, go to settings, parental controls, and add a parent account, and then link it with your child. Now, inside of your child's account, you can simply enable parental control, which you can control from your parent's account. What you can do is you can set account restrictions, experiences allowed, communication, spending, and privacy and safety. You can also check their activity dashboard by seeing how much time they played. You can even set a limit on the time. You can also review the recently played games of them, and you can also monitor connection or communication by seeing who can message them, who can chat with them, who can invite them, and who can join them. This is something you can restrict as well. So once you've done that, you can also check the spending and purchase history and use account restriction if you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.